Looking to make some quick and budget-friendly Halloween decorations? Here's what you'll need: a pencil, scissors, and a sheet of rectangular paper. Start by folding the long side of the paper over to meet the opposite long side. Make sure the edges line up neatly, then press along the fold. Unfold the paper and cut along the crease you just made. Set one of the rectangles aside. Take the other rectangle and fold the short left edge over to the right short edge. Make sure the edges are aligned perfectly and press the fold. Repeat this step 2 more times, folding it the same way each time. Now, let's draw a skull. Just follow along with me. Cut along the lines you've drawn. Unfold your skull garland. You can use the leftover rectangle to make another one and glue them together for a longer chain. Next, let's make a pumpkin garland. Grab some orange paper or white if that's all you have. Just like before, fold the paper to create your base. Draw a pumpkin following my steps. Cut along the lines and unfold. And there you have it. Your pumpkin decoration is ready. How to make a ghost decoration. Use colored paper or white if you prefer. Fold your rectangle like before. Draw a ghost pattern following along with me. Cut along the drawn lines and carefully unfold the paper. The decoration is ready. Now for the little vampire bats decoration. If you don't have black paper, white works just fine. Fold your rectangle like before. Draw a bat by following my guide. Cut along the lines and unfold your Halloween decoration. What do you think? If you like, you can decorate the bat garland. Draw eyes and so on. Let's make a scarecrow garland. Use white or colored paper and fold it like we did before. Draw a scarecrow. Cut along the drawn lines and carefully unfold the paper. Draw eyes and mouths for these spooky decorations. Did you enjoy making these Halloween decorations? Share your thoughts and creations in the comments below.